And hello bloomers, if you're currently mining Bloom, then in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 simple steps that you can take right now to secure your spot for the Bloom allocation. We know we've spent months of hard work in mining this Bloom, so this is reward time as Bloom is about to list. So in this video I'm going to be showing you these 3 easy steps that are the eligibility criteria that you must meet as a bloomer in order to be eligible or qualify for this airdrop. So without further ado, let me go straight into today's video so that I will just show you these eligibility criteria and how to meet them. But before going into doing that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, come on, what are you waiting for? Here we love to make money and grow. So hit the subscription button so that whenever I make videos about making money online, trading and cryptocurrency, you'll be the first to watch and make more informed decision so that you become financially free and help the people around you or help your loved ones. So now that I've done that, now let's go into today's video. For you to be eligible now for Bloom airdrop, you have to meet now these 4 criteria. So now the first criteria, which I feel all of us have met, is a minimum of 100k Blum Points, right? So and to do that, it's really easy. So if you've been consistently mining Blum Points, I think by now you should have over 100k. Then minimum 2 is you have 750 mean points or proof of activity. So if you've not done your proof of activity, it's pretty easy. Now you can just check in the description section. Like, I'm going to leave the link in the description section so that you just go and do your proof of activity, but it's pretty easy. So the proof of activity is to just show that, oh, you're actually a human or you've been actively participating on the Bloom tax. So that is it. But then to do it, it requires you to spend some ton. I think it's about 0.4 ton or thereabout. Then the last criteria is you must refer a minimum of 2 persons. So if you don't have up to 2 referrals, you can drop your link in the description section so that people will use your link to subscribe. So to get farming Bloom so that you'll be eligible. So well, most of us, I feel we have met all these, right, exception of the criteria number 2. So to just do that, right, now let's go to our main part so that we meet the second eligibility criteria. So it's either or, right? So we've done proof of activity before. So here, if you go to to get mean points, right? So you see, if you click on mean part, so these are like the mean part section. So first off, there are different ways to do it. If you trade on mean part, right, you're going to get it. So you click on home and you see mean point, you click on in, right? So basically these are different ways to trade. You trade your way into mean points, right? Now if you launch a token, you get 500 mean points. So 500 mean points, it's less than the eligibility criteria, which is 750. So here now your token moves to decentralized exchange, you get 1,000 mean points, 10,000 mean points. So that's a lot. So then trade on mean pad. So if you make any trade, you get 50. So here, then trade with trading bot, so you get 750. So this is going to be our focus. So this is our focus here. So we are going to tap on it. Then here, this is the interface. So this is how the interface looks like. So we notify you as soon you gain access to the Bloom trading bot. So while you wait, you follow us on this and that, right? So here now, so this is when you click on start. Now you agree to the terms and condition. So when you click on agree, you are going to have this first step. Now you are brand new wallet. So here are your brand new wallets on Solana and Ton. So this is my wallet address. So you can copy, and this is my Ton address, right? so you can deposit directly. So the thing is, I recommend you deposit like maybe $12, right? So here you can tap to copy. So now you can deposit directly via the address, or you can copy to import address. So here, or you can connect via Ton top up. So if you click on this, it's going to open your Ton app. Then here, this is the address or the enter again. So the amount you put in dollars. So here, so $20 amount of ton. So here, let's do maybe 10 ton. So 10 ton is $29. So I think it's about $3 or so, or $2.9. Yeah, $2.9, $93. So now the comment, you paste it. So let's go back to get okay. So it doesn't have like a comment, but then if you are from any decentralized exchange, it's going to tell you. So we put 10 here, then comments. So you can just put anything here to turn, then click on OK. So it's telling me insufficient balance, but if I'm just showing you how to do it, right? All you can just do is just click on this, then put this, and if you have like the balance in your account, click on continue. When you do that, you are going to see like the balance here, and click on continue, then you pay, then you have your 750 main point. So basically that's all how to do it. It's pretty straightforward, and if you have any question, don't forget to leave it in the description section and I'll be glad to help. So guys, that's how to be qualified. For those of us that have not done a proof of activity, you can also go ahead to do it. It's pretty easy and straightforward. So love you guys, till next time, stay optimistic, bye.